LG gas range, how to install the cooktop parts. This video will show you how to install the burner heads, caps, and grates on a gas range. Caution: to avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use pot holders if you need to touch any part of the cooktop while it is still hot. For safety, wait until the range has cooled down before lifting grates, burner heads, or caps. How to install the cooktop parts. We're going to assemble the burner heads and caps. Align the burner head so the spark igniter on the cooktop passes through the hole in the burner head. Assemble each burner head on the appropriately sized burner. Assemble the appropriately sized cap on each burner head. Install the burner caps so the legs don't interfere with the burner head, as shown. On models with dual burner heads, both burner caps must be installed. Make sure that the burner caps are level and centered on top of the burner heads. If caps are not properly placed, the burner may not light or may produce uneven flames. The range has 3 separate professional-style grates. For maximum stability, these grates must be in their proper positions before using the cooktop.